Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Tome AI. Tome AI is a powerful tool that helps you create stunning presentations in minutes, leveraging artificial intelligence. To begin, simply navigate to the Tome AI website. You will then be prompted to either sign in or create a new account, which takes less than 1 minute. Once logged in, you are ready to start crafting your first dynamic presentation with ease. Now let's create your first tome. After logging in, you will see options to start with a blank canvas or choose from a wide array of professional templates. Simply click Create and then type your desired topic or prompt into the AI assistant. Within seconds, Tome AI will generate an initial draft, complete with text and relevant visuals, giving you a fantastic starting point for your presentation. Personalizing your tome is straightforward and intuitive. You can easily modify fonts, colors, and overall themes to match your brand or style. Simply drag and drop various media elements like images, videos, or even three-dimensional models directly onto your slides. Tome also supports real-time collaboration, allowing you to invite team members to edit and comment on your presentation simultaneously, enhancing teamwork. Finally, it's time to share your masterpiece. Tome makes sharing incredibly simple. Just generate a unique link and send it to your audience. You can present directly from the platform using its immersive full-screen mode, ensuring a professional delivery. For offline access or distribution, you also have the option to export your entire presentation as a PDF file, giving you maximum flexibility.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.